Ooh.
Gotcha.
Wow.
Welcome to the office.
Well, guess
So
who's
personal.
back? How you doing?
Amazing.
What are you doing here?
Well, kind of amazing. My
What are you
back
doing here?
hurts. Seeing you. Nothing else.
Where are you coming from?
From a lot of places.
Okay,
From,
but you live in Florida.
Yes, still.
And you came with Mama. Mama's over there.
Of course.
Hi, Mama.
Hi. Hi.
So hold on. What are you doing here?
So, I
You're only
came.
here for a day?
Yeah, for a day.
What are you doing?
Transiting to Orlando.
Okay.
Back
Where'd you
home.
go?
I went to Korea,
Okay.
South Korea,
All right.
Hong Kong,
Nice.
and the Philippines. And I was like, there's no way I'm doing all of this and not seeing Rahim.
Oh.
Because I am destroyed.
Huh. Okay. Huh. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we'll do is, so this is more travel stuff, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're in transit right now, coming through LA. Want to get a tune-up before you go back to Orlando.
Exactly.
It's been a year. Earlier in the year you came, right?
No, well, it was in the beginning of the year, yeah.
Beginning of the
Yeah.
year. Okay. All right, no worries. So we're in our new office, or the new remodel, guys. And so we're starting to shoot up here as well. And normally I'm seeing new patients up here, but we're going to start doing all our filming up here.
So great.
And I don't know if you guys remember or if they remember, the setup is completely different. This is the new table here, the cervical chair.
All fresh.
All fresh. This is the new high-low. That's new Mama. Okay. And we can give them a little peek in the front over here. This is a little peek of the front area. You guys can see. This is how people enter. And it's not a huge space, it's just right. But the most important thing is that everyone remembers this view, right?
Yes.
Right?
The iconic.
The iconic LA Dr. Rahim view. So a question. What are you
Yes.
doing, Daniela? Besides gallivanting and traveling?
Being happy.
What are you
Being
doing?
happy.
What are you doing?
Chilling, being with my mom. We have taken this 2 years
Yeah.
strictly, like forgetting about everything and just traveling.
So 2 years of travel.
Yes.
2 years of travel. And what have you learned in 2 years?
Oh my God, so much. Like you must do things differently. Every single day, as little as it is. Like I feel like when you travel, your brain chemicals literally flourish. Even taking a different route to work
Agreed.
one day,
100%.
brushing your teeth with your left hand, like it is so important. And
Just
people-
changing it up.
Changing it up is so important.
And getting new stimuli from the environment will stimulate new connections in the brain.
Exactly.
Good, good, I like it.
Yeah.
You ready for me?
Yeah.
You got questions
Of
for me?
course. Yes. So, one thing I wanted to mention.
Yes.
Well, a few things. Number one, a lot of people are gonna want to know this.
What?
Okay, you know when you're standing like this? I'm standing.
We're sitting.
We're sitting, but like imagine I'm standing, and your neck kind of looks like this.
I understand.
Okay, I'm gonna stand and show you.
Show me.
Okay, I'm like this, and you know when you like look like this?
You mean like the anterior head
Yeah,
posture?
like what do I look like? You know?
That's like tech neck.
Yeah, like you don't look like this, you know? No, it's like your head is kind of uncomfortable.
And what's your question?
So like, how do you fix that?
Good
or is
question.
it a whole like, oh, I'm
Is
born
it
like
all
this?
of it? No. So when we're looking at anterior head posture, a couple of things we want to look at. Number one is it due to postural habits?
Okay.
Did it start with a trauma? Today's world, I went to a seminar 3 weeks ago. I was in Minneapolis, and we were talking about 21st century subluxations, nerve pressures, right? Bones out of alignment, all that, and why we see chiropractors. And back in the day, it used to be slips, falls, traumas, accidents, right? And Gonstead was in a farming town. And this seminar was, what are the 21st century subluxations or causes? And what we got into was habit, lifestyle, toxins. And there was one lady, she was a researcher from MIT, she spoke about the GMO gluten and how it's destroying our brain, our neurology, our mitochondria, all that stuff.
I love it.
Now let's get into the forward head. In today's world, the biggest issue is tech neck. And it's being like this in this position for too long a period of time, and this is our biggest issue. So one simple thing, or two simple things to do, we have a video called Flossing for Your Shoulders, or sorry, we have a video called Flossing for Your Spine.
Okay.
Basic
Oh, yeah.
extension exercises.
On
So
the
we're
edge.
just sitting up on the edge and we're doing the neck first, palms up, and you're just gonna look back.
Is this
and
the one you
forward.
showed me a long time ago
Yes.
that you went kind of like this?
That's the
right?
second part. The first part is the neck. Make sure your ear, you wanna come sit here and do it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
So scoot forward.
Okay. To the
Now-
edge, right?
Yep, and
Okay.
you wanna make sure that your shoulder lines up with your hip and your ear.
Okay.
And the first thing we're gonna do is neck extension. And you're gonna, this is the fulcrum, the base here, the base of the neck, or where my finger is. You're gonna go back as far as you can in extension, back to neutral. And you're gonna do this 12 to 20 times, nice and easy, okay? Good?
Perfect.
Next, after that, you're gonna do side bends. You're gonna do one side at a time. You're gonna do the right side. You know what? Let's turn. Extension. Back. Okay, as far as you can. Do it by yourself now.
Okay. So this is the starting point, not like
Yes.
this.
No.
Okay, starting point.
Neutral position all the way back till pain resistance. That's it. Don't work through pain. So let's say that, I'm gonna grab a little bit of the hair. Let's say it hurts here.
Okay.
You stop there. And you just do that, and each day it will get easier.
Okay.
Okay?
It's like breaking a barrier.
Correct. Then we do side bends. Right side or left, one side only, and then the opposite side, 12 to 20.
Do you
So
feel the difference?
what you're doing when we're doing this, this thing is stuck here. So when we go bend to the left, the spinous is moving to the open side of the wedge. When I move right, it doesn't bend. Right? You feel that?
Yeah, I do.
So we'll deal with that. That's for the neck. We obviously want to do the low back as well, same thing. So shoulders line up with the hips.
Okay.
Hands across your shoulders, please. Hands across your shoulders like this. And you're gonna, can we open the back?
Yes, of course.
And we're gonna go back, this is the fulcrum, go back slowly until pain resistance or the feet come off the ground. Keep going, keep going. That's your fulcrum. And I can already feel when she's doing it, her sacrum is out. You said it was your left knee, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, I feel your left sacrum out, by the way, too.
Oh,
¿Te duele?
okay.
¿Te duele?
Pain
little
or
bit.
resistance. Then after this, you're gonna side bend to the left, to the left.
All the body, right? Not
Yeah.
only upper body.
This is the fulcrum here. You're bending the spine. Come and look from behind here, you can see it. Bend to the left, bend to the right. Now I want you to see something. I want you to put a curve in your back. Curve. Now do it. Bend to the left,
Oh.
Uh-huh.
the whole body. That's better. Okay? That's better. The other, so you
I
want to
cracked
make
like 5
sure,
bones.
Yeah.
you want to make sure there's extension in there when you do it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Shall we get started?
Please.
You said something about your left knee also, right?
Yes. So
La segunda question.
left. Okay. Well, number one. Disclaimer. A lot of people ask me all the time, "Oh my God, if like Rahim is so amazing, but like, what do you keep going?"
Ha!
Amazing.
Ha! Good question.
But before you answer that, because I want you to answer part of that, just to be honest,
Yeah.
a lot of the things that I come here for are part of my habits, okay? For example, I come here, Rahim sends me back home, perfect, like a Barbie doll.
Reset.
This.
Your reset.
But then I go in my car, and I go like this, and I drive, and I ruin my back. So, yes. But now you
So
can
what's the
answer that
question?
part. So, why do people have to come to the chiropractor so consistently?
Well, there's a couple of ways to answer that. And when you say consistent, it's different
For everyone.
with different people,
Yes.
with different chiropractors, with different methods. Our goal here is to get people in balance, number one, the best we can. Number two, to show them their habits that got them to this point. Number three, to change those habits.
Yes.
So it's a very simple, I'm going to give a stupid example. You get your car aligned.
Yes.
Once?
Oh, duh. Of course.
No, but because why do you have to keep getting it checked, the alignment?
Maintenance.
So let's say you get your car aligned and then you go outside and you hit the same potholes driving to work and play. Is it going to stay? No. Or let's say you're getting adjusted. We did all this work. I had a guy, they're visiting right now from Idaho. They drove for a follow-up. It's been 9 months. He's been holding for 9 months. And he's had issues for many, many years. I had another couple, they come from Germany. This is their third trip. And we're going on our second year. I finally got them stabilized and now they can start their rehab, their exercise, everything. So going back now to your your question is, do we have to keep going to the chiropractor to get adjusted? That's not the intention. If we balance everything, then you're here for a checkup.
Exactly. Maintenance.
Checkup.
Yeah.
You want to know, Doc, am I clear? Is my spine clear of interference? Is my spine clear? Are my hips moving right? Is the structure doing what it's supposed to? Then the second part is the building blocks. The second part is the food. What kind of fuel are you putting in your body?
The good one.
Right? Now, but if the nerves going to the organs of digestion are interfered with, then it doesn't matter how clean the food is, doesn't matter how expensive it is, your body is not absorbing and assimilating those nutrients. Does that make sense?
Of course.
Yes?
Yes. Does it make sense?
Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Now, it's not to say our lifestyle is very different today.
Yeah.
And our lifestyle today it's sedentary. And the biggest, I want to add this, there's a big misconception. I'm sitting at a desk for 2 hours, 3 hours, I get up, oh, I cracked it.
Oh, yes.
All that is the ligaments adapting to this bad posture. So when you straighten out, that's the ligament releasing or popping, so to speak.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes.
What else you want to dispel?
Okay, my leg.
All right,
okay,
tell me.
so I work out a lot. I was squatting, and then I remember feeling like a super strong pain right here, kind of like.
So what? Look,
right there.
Where you're pointing to is part of the quadriceps muscle. There's the lateral head. Okay, we'll look at it.
So, throughout the workout, it gets worse. Literally in the beginning, I can be doing anything. I could be doing Stairmaster, I could be jumping around, doing whatever. When I am on my, fourth exercise, oh my God, I can barely squat. Like I feel
It's just there.
Just there. Nothing
not
else.
Here?
No. And
not up?
No.
Not
just
down?
Right here.
Okay.
And then my leg would literally shake. Like I could do like this, like that. I could do like one leg squat, whatever.
Yeah.
I do it with this leg and it's literally like.
So there's a couple of things we're going to look at. We know that it felt like the sacrum was off. We're going to check the pelvis. We'll check everything. You won't really know till you work out though, right?
No, yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's
yeah,
cool.
it's a certain movement. It's like the closer my knee is to the ground, the more I feel it.
Say that one more time.
Like the closer my knee is to the ground, the more I feel it. So even
the more bend you put in your
like
knee
the closer,
with weight.
exactly, like the closer it is, oh my God, the more it hurts.
You feel it right now?
A little bit, but if I keep going, oh, I will feel it.
Do 5 squats.
Oh my God.
Just do 5 squats.
Okay, I'll do 5 squats.
Okay, so go ahead and squat.
Okay. And right now it kind of hurts right here.
So
A little bit.
the front shin is hurting because she's not getting dorsiflexion in the ankle. This is hurting or this is hurting because the mechanics of her pelvis are off. Mama, if you come around this side, you turn and face that way now. Turn. And I want you to squat. You're going to see this. Mira.
Sí.
Watch my fingers. This is the tailbone. This is higher, this is lower.
Sí.
Ready for the action?
Squat, squat.
Wow, se va.
This moves, this doesn't move.
Sí.
So because this isn't moving, it's throwing the mechanics of the whole foot off. All right, let's see what we got going on today. Starting at the base of the neck.
That hurts really bad, by the
What?
way. That area.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And the first thing we're getting, 10 points, left side, C1.
Oh.
10 points, nope. See, so there it looked like it was gonna break. It didn't stop. It breaks there. So this area is compensating. So how do you like the new stool we're using?
I love
It's
it.
different.
I love it. So comfy.
How's the vibe in the office now
Oh,
compared
it
to
is-
what's different for you?
Everything is so different. I love the
La
wood.
vista.
I love the plants.
Mama, mira,
My mom said, I love the view.
is down low.
Leaves.
Aquí,
Mm-hmm. Sí.
aquí, número 1.
Sacrum.
Coccyx,
Oh.
S5.
Again. Otra vez, mami.
Hello.
Tender, tender.
Oh,
That's
oh.
the one.
Oh my god, that hurt my back up here.
Yes. Static palpation, you can see right there is where the swelling is,
Oh.
and then it disappears. Okay. See?
Yeah, I see.
Tender.
I see, feel
You see
it.
that one? More tender there.
Ah.
1,
duele.
2, 3, 4.
Everything just hurts so much that I don't even know. Ah, yes.
9. Let's check the hips now, feet together. Scoot forward, open and close your knees, open and close the knees. Feet are touching, good. Open and close. Right side only, please. So when she does the right, the left shifts with it. Left side only, please. Right side. Misleading. Okay, scoot back for me, please. Let's check this way. Top of the joint, back towards me. Back slowly. Middle of the joint. Bottom of the joint. Tender at all when I did that?
No.
Not really, right?
Just my upper back. Oh, that hurts.
That one.
Yeah.
So it's actually the right pelvis like we did last time.
Okay.
We're going to do right, PIIN. We're going to do coccyx to S5. We're going to do T9, and we're going to do the upper cervical, C1. Let's check up top here.
Oh my god, my mom thinks I'm destroyed. You
She's-
said so many T's.
Sí. Do you pensé?
Aquí.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Uno. Uno.
Oh, yeah, I love it.
Dos. Dos. Uno. 2 on the right, 1 on the left. Okay.
Uy, no.
Tender on the right knee,
Uy, no.
A little. Oh, no, 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 no.
left knee.
Yes.
Ankles,
Oh my god, that one hurts
left
so
side.
bad.
So all of this,
Mhm.
Daniela, left ankle, left knee. By the way, it's tender on the back side as the tibia will work on, and we'll work on the femur.
Yeah.
And then let's check valgus varus stress. Slide your body towards me this way. Slide your whole body over. Bring this leg out for me, please. We're going to do valgus varus stress, so pushing in and out. And the gap is on the outside. So we have swelling of the lateral capsule. We need to work, and we need to work the ankle. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to get back to balance with nature?
Yeah, I love it.
Because you're out
Thank
of
you.
balance.
I am
What
very.
was your favorite place you went to?
I'm so scared to speak.
Why? I'm not adjusting you.
Okay, Korea.
Okay.
Um.
Your right shoulder.
También.
is off, too.
Oh my god.
Sí.
Look, my mom is so
Daniela,
sweet.
Okay.
I love it. What is happening? All the extra surgery.
Nose is fine. Okay,
Thank
let's
God.
get started. Ready?
Por lo
Yeah.
menos.
Bueno. So we're gonna do C2 on the right, C1 on the left, nice and easy. Shoulders back, relax everything back. There it is. You're fighting. You getting that tech neck you were talking about.
Stop.
Sure. Drop it down.
I love that. Wow.
You gotta get her
I
too.
can't-
She's like,
I can't focus.
That shit is funny.
I can't focus.
Left ear down, down, down.
Ooh. Whoa. I love that.
Yo.
Walk it off.
I will.
And
Thank you
it's
so much.
continuous.
Oh my god.
New table.
This table.
It's the Zenith.
She is so pretty.
And it's got all these fancy little buttons now. That,
Wow.
yeah, step to the black, up on the black.
Wow, that looks actually kind of scary.
It's fancy, man.
Yeah.
So-
Wait, what?
Lay forward. We're gonna do T9 here.
Where do I grab?
Right here. Relax. We're gonna do T9. Nice and easy.
I love it. I
Nice
love
and
it so much. Highly recommend.
Nice and easy. T9. Oh wow. She's
Oh my
tight.
god.
She's too tight. T9. Drop the shoulders. Drop.
Ooh. Wow.
Gotcha. We'll come
I
back
love
to
it
this.
so much. Did you hear that?
Mami, pero eso te lo puedo hacer yo en la casa.
Yeah, oh my god. My mom's
Okay.
saying that she could totally do that at home.
What?
What did you say?
Oh, for sure.
Totally.
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 Now,
I
we're gonna
mean-
be here.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Whoa.
I forgot one thing. I forgot my pillow downstairs
Your pillow.
for the side posture.
Mm.
Can I have that? You have a
So what are we
jacket?
doing?
You have a jacket?
I think I do. Yeah. How about the fluffiest jacket, actually? My jacket.
I need it for a pillow.
Okay.
And what I like about this table, guys, it has that contour shape, so you can actually get closer
Oh,
on
the
the
knee.
patient. Bottom leg straight. I need you to slide down so you're hanging right off the edge. There you go. And let's bring this right there. Bottom leg straight. I'll be on the outside of your shorts. I'm gonna be down
Thank you
low.
so much.
There.
Yeah.
And we're gonna lift up.
Eso te va a doler.
Hold.
Oh my god.
What?
So toxic. She was like, it's gonna hurt.
No, it's not. I'm gonna hurt.
It's not. It's not gonna hurt.
Mhm. Easy, easy. Gotcha.
Love it so much.
I know. But tell me, that was better than the other ones we used to do with
No,
the thumb.
yeah, that was
Go on.
amazing.
Go left side down now, and let's do the pelvis. Head over here on this side,
Looking that way.
facing me always.
Oh, I love it.
You love it?
So positive.
Slide
Stay
down.
positive.
Doesn't hurt, Mom. Let it roll. Let it roll.
Ooh. Haha.
That was an ass crack.
That was amazing.
Walk it out.
This is what I wish I could do every morning when
Walk
I wake
it
up.
out. That's our new walk, runway.
Thank you so much.
Te duele.
How do I walk?
Perfect.
Am I transformed?
We'll go
Closer to nature?
You're hilarious. Face down.
Oh.
I gotta do more of the pelvis here.
Okay.
Press it down.
Love it.
So when we were doing this,
Yes, I feel it.
you
Totally.
feel it. Feel
Oh, yes, I feel it.
it. Yes, you feel it.
I love how you know I feel it.
You feel
but it's okay.
I'm on your bum here. Right there, PIIN. I'm holding the right, holding the left, pushing the right out and up. Mama, hold her legs, please. Poco. That's it. Gotcha.
That's it.
Now the fun part, Mama.
Oh my
You
God.
remember?
Yeah.
You remember?
What?
The
What is
knee.
it?
You forgot about the knee?
Yeah, I did. I'm manifesting.
Are you manifesting?
Yeah. What is that?
Lotion.
Oh my God.
Ya va.
Oh, no.
Sí,
no,
ya
no.
va.
Lotion.
Ese es anestesia.
Lotion.
What anesthesia?
Anestesia,
Oh my
anestesia.
God.
Hi. Hi.
Relax.
Yes, I'm so relaxed. I'm so relaxed. I love it. Oh,
Thank you.
there's no
Hey,
way.
5, 4, 3, 2. Come on.
Uy, no, qué malo.
No, I know.
Ya, mami, ya va.
4,
Oh my
Ya va, ya
God.
va.
2.
You're so intentional.
Respira.
What? Everything is intention. Hold on to the top.
No.
Hold on to the top. Hold on to
I
the
can't
top.
see the
Hold
top.
on.
Just one. Remember,
Huh?
I have it with just one, Daniela.
There's only one Dr. Rahim also, okay? Don't forget that, okay? Hold on, please, to the front. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Poco. There you go.
I love it. No. This is like actually
Ya.
torture, but in the best way. It's like investment, like an investment
Ya.
torture.
Ahí siempre.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Walk it out. Check it out.
Well.
Walk. Walk it out.
Wow. I feel the movement.
Derechita, mami, pa' ver. Otra vez derecho.
That hurts so bad.
On your back here. Let's do your ankles. It's all part of kinetic chain.
Thank you so much.
I'll just take them off a little bit there.
No.
Hola. Hola. Hi. How you doing?
I love it so much.
So you come
It's so
just to get
beautiful.
aligned, huh? You come to get a reset.
Yeah, I love it. Such a
And-
humbling experience.
4, 3, 2. Wow.
I love it.
Now we'll set it lightly. I'm just going to set your ankle lightly.
Ajá, claro.
Flattens.
Lightly?
Slide up headward. Now we'll use the board for some Hollywood drama. Slide up.
Whoa!
Now we'll use the board.
That's so Hollywood drama.
Just when you say, you know, sound, Hollywood sound effects. Talus, fibula. Talus, fibula.
Love it.
Turn to your side, doesn't matter which one. Turn.
Love
Calcaneus.
it. Oh.
Calcaneus,
Calcaneus is kind of loud.
navicular.
Wow. So astronomical.
Other side, please. Yeah.
Wow.
Calcaneus, navicular.
How do you remember all these
On your
terms?
tummy. So we're doing the drop second cuneiform. Drop second cuneiform.
Yeah, I love it. Oh! Wow, I really needed this. Wow. Wait,
On your back.
that made no sense. I have like, what, 5 toes?
Yeah,
That sounded
and that was
like,
like
20,000.
Now, watch this. Over here. Slide your body this way. Walk it off and we're going to squat.
¿Te duele?
No,
No
no,
duele.
I love it.
Pero te está igual que...
No, I thought he was gonna do something. I was like,
Should
what is he
love
gonna
it.
do?
Alright.
Walk it out.
What is he gonna
Derechito.
do? Wow.
Derechita para
Wow.
Derecho.
Stay there and do some squats.
Okay. Wow.
So let Mama fix her in the back so we can see the legs.
Wow.
It's
It does feel
different.
better.
It's different.
¿Sí?
So when she's squatting,
He's like,
keep,
what?
keep squatting.
Okay.
¿Sí?
So when she's squatting, this is not catching. When she's squatting, this is not rotating. Turn and turn around. Squat. Now it's moving. It's moving now. Bueno.
Arrecho.
Back in the chair.
Wow.
Oh my God! Turn.
Oh my God, we sound so fake,
Oh
but it's
my
for real.
God, it's like for real. Have a seat. You know, I'm just messing with you.
Okay.
Listen, guys, you know, people make comments. Daniela, you started with me in the very beginning with all this stuff.
Yes.
And no, you guys have been great patients. Number one. Number two, you guys started with me from the beginning. I appreciate it. Hopefully, you know, we've been able to help some people and entertain them at the same time. Neck is clear. Claro.
I love it.
Ya está todo en su sitio.
Claro.
At one with nature.
Back in balance. Shoulder time. Shoulder. Now, to do the shoulder the correct way.
You're so mean. Why is she reminding you to do my job? Oh.
Why am I doing your jaw? Because Mama said so.
La mejor parte.
Open.
Vuelve a
Hold on.
Slowly. Open.
Okay.
Open. You see that?
I feel it and I see it.
Okay. Open.
Open.
Slowly, not hard. Okay?
Wait. Oh my God.
Okay.
But is it like actually out of balance?
Yeah, watch. Open.
I feel it. I feel
Okay.
out of balance. I'm lying to myself.
Slowly open. We're gonna do the EX, but it's the left side that's out.
Yeah, I feel
Open
it.
all the way. Open. That click is the EX compensation side. So we need to slowly apply pressure on the right side. Slowly close. Hold there. Open all the way.
Look what she's doing to herself. Thank you.
Open. 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 You got it. You got it. Amazing. Amazing. I didn't go hard.
Amazing.
I could actually cry right now. I will.
Open.
I'm so scared to open up. I'm literally so scared.
Open all the way. Come on. Open.
Again?
Open all the way.
I'm sweating.
Open.
Alright, I don't
It
know.
didn't pop.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you so
It
much. I
didn't
love
pop, though.
Vale, mami, a ver. Ese, ya se te quitó.
it. Wait, one more?
Open. 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 Close. Bust. That's it.
Es slow.
I love it so much. Yeah.
She's glistening now.
Está buscando.
You're glistening.
No, literally.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I haven't even done this yet.
What?
Come here.
No. Is that the?
Soft. I'm not going crazy on it. I'm not going crazy. I promise.
I'm gonna.
Come sit.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit. Let's sit for this. Thank you.
Just raise the hand if it's too much, okay? What I want to explain what I'm actually doing, because people think, what is he's doing? What's this fish out? What's this? I'm going in to the masseters and the pterygoids, and I'm holding the back of her neck, and we're just breaking up some adhesions. It's okay. It's not fun.
Quítalo, mami.
It's not fun, but I'm not going there. Okay.
Show me, hold on.
And then watch, come on this side, you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just breaking up adhesions, okay? That's all I'm doing there. 4, 3, 2, amazing. Okay? Not hard. Don't say it was hard today, girl. It was suave.
Yeah.
Everything was smooth today. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Elbow.
Mm-hmm.
Squeeze. Elbow. Relax. Down, down. There you go. Welcome back to the office.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.